Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this pack of 4 smart downlighting for review. So let's open it up, look at its features, give it a try. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, it comes with a user manual. Here's a template to cut the hole into the sheetrock. And again, this has a pack of 4. So here's what the light actually looks like. On the bottom side, you have a couple of spring-loaded clamps here that secures it into your ceiling or sheetrock, and a connector. This is model SAM-D1. Okay, now that everything's unpacked, this is a look at all the contents. It comes with a smart downlight user manual with instructions on installation and programming the lights. You have 4 different smart downlights. And again, as you can see, they're very thin, small downlights that'll fit in just about any ceiling. Each smart light has its own unique QR code that you'll scan to set the lights up individually on the app that you'll use on your iPhone or smart device. You have 4 individual controllers. Open them up inside. It comes with a couple of 3 wire nuts. You have 3 wires that must be connected to a power source. You have your hot, neutral, and your ground wires. And then those will be tucked in, closed. This will be mounted into the ceiling. Once those are installed, then this connector here will be connected to the light itself. So you have 4 of these. So each light, again, has its unique signal to your app. Then you have a template to cut out of your sheetrock in the ceiling. You would just simply determine where you want to put it in the ceiling and then place this on the ceiling and then draw this circle out into the sheetrock that needs to be cut out using a sheetrock saw. Okay, these lights have 16 million colors that can be controlled individually or as a group. Each light has 1,300 lumens. So installation shouldn't be too bad. If you need a qualified electrician, you might want to obtain someone to do that. You will need an AC source for each of the 4 lights individually. Okay, I'm going to clear these off the table except for one and just show you an example of how to install one of the lights. Okay, I have a piece of sheetrock to simulate your ceiling underneath side of the ceiling, and this is like in the attic space on this side. So once you've determined the location of your light in your ceiling in your particular room, you want to utilize this template to cut out your sheetrock for the purpose of the light. We're going to say it's in this location. Just draw your cutout. Once you've marked using the template your cutout, then you're ready to use a sheetrock saw to cut out the opening. Okay, next you'll want to collect the power source from your attic space to the black and white and green wire here. And you have a choice of 3 knockouts that you can run your wire through depending on the direction you need to mount. You can use this knockout or the knockout on the top side or the other side. You can use a flat screwdriver to twist and knock this out. It'll just bend and break off. Okay, before you connect your wire cables, you want to use a protective grommet for this box here to keep the wire from being cut on here, but just for this demonstration I won't use that. You'll run your power source cables through the box, and then connect your wires together inside this junction box controller. Black goes to black, white goes to white, green goes to green. Once you have all the wires connected, just tuck them in, close up the box. Next, you're ready to install the SMART downlight itself. You just open up these discs. You just have a temporary styrofoam spacer. Just remove those. And as you can see, these are spring loaded. So this will be held in the up position until you place that through. Okay, before installing this light, you'll need to connect this to your modular on the back side. So I'll connect that first inside the controller of the power source. You want to install that into the slots and then twist it clockwise about a quarter of a turn. And then these clips you'll hold up just to get them inserted into the cut opening. That shows the installed light. If you look on the back side, you'll see how these clips hold it in place with the module connected. So you can see it's very, very thin light. Once you power it on, then you'll see it colored red and it blinks 3 times to let you know that it's ready to program. In your phone app, you'll add a new device. Then you'll scan this QR code and then it should find that device. Okay, now I have the app installed. I named it Smart Light. I'll turn the light off, power on. You can select the color. Here's red, salmon, yellow, green, blue, lavender, and a variety of colors. On the app, you can integrate that into any group setting, or control it through your iPhone or through Alexa. The thing I like about these smart lights is the thickness is very small, easy to install up into the ceiling itself. So I highly recommend these smart downlights.